Hey you guys, welcome back, and I am super excited for today. I'm going to be making a brand new dessert that's super easy. It's a dump cake dessert, and it's gonna be a blueberry lemon or lemon blueberry cheesecake dump cake. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to mix up the cheesecake layer. And what you're gonna need for that is one package of cream cheese, so 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. So I've got it in a mixing bowl here. You're gonna need lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is the best. I just squeezed mine fresh. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And I also saved the lemon zest so I can put that in the recipe as well, which I'm super excited about. It's just gonna add the extra flavor. And then you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 cup of granulated sugar. So we're gonna mix all of that together in here with the cream cheese and a mixer. And then that will be good, and we can basically start assembling. That's how quick this is gonna be. So let's go ahead now and mix it all up. Okay, so we have that done now. It's all mixed up, you can see here. So this is our cheesecake layer, and now we're basically ready to put it all together. So since I'm bringing this to a dinner party tonight for dessert, I'm gonna actually do it in one of these throwaway containers. If you're gonna do it for your family, you can do it in a baking dish that you have at home or one of these, totally cool. So what you're gonna do is you're going to oil the edges of the pan and the bottom, and then for easier serving, you can put parchment paper in the bottom. So that's what I did here with this. And now we're going to put it together. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 can of blueberry pie fill, and we're going to layer this in the bottom of the pan. We're then going to take 1.5 cups of blueberries and spread them out evenly across the blueberry pie fill. We're then going to take this cream cheese frosting and spread it out evenly over the pie fill and the blueberries. And if it mixes in, that's okay, because it's all gonna bake together nicely. And then you're gonna take a yellow or a golden cake mix. Don't mix it, just take the powdered cake mix and sprinkle it over top, everything evenly. And then you're gonna take 1/2 cup of melted butter, and you're gonna spread it out over top of the powdered cake mix, and then we're going to bake it. That's how easy this is. So let's go ahead, assemble this all together, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. So make sure you're preheating your oven to 350, and we'll be ready to put it in when we've got it made. Okay, so we're doing the pie mix. We're gonna put it in the bottom here and spread it out evenly across the bottom. Okay, so we've got that spread out nice and even. Now we're gonna take our blueberries and just do an even layer. I'm just gonna sprinkle them just like this. Oh, they were frozen and I ran some water over them, so they're just a little stuck together. So we're gonna sprinkle these across like this. Okay, so that's layered across the bottom, nice and even. I'm just gonna kind of spread it out a little bit better here. So there's lots of blueberries in here. And now what we're going to do is we're gonna take the cheesecake mix, and we're going to just take little bits like this and spread it across the cheesecake and mix it all together. So let's just keep going like this. And then we're gonna spread it out. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix it like this across all of the blueberry, right to the edges. And it's okay if it gets mixed in with the blueberries, remember? Because it's all going to bake very, very nicely. So there we go. I'm gonna get the extra off. Don't wanna waste any of that goodness. Put that in there. And now we're ready to pour our cake mix. So we're gonna take the powder of the cake mix and we're gonna sprinkle it evenly across this. And then we're gonna pour the 1/2 cup of melted butter on top and it'll be ready to bake. So let's go ahead and do that. We got half of it on here. I'm just gonna continue to sprinkle it across here. Remember, you're gonna bring it right to the corners, right across the whole package. And then I'm just gonna kind of take my hand and level it across, just like that. And then we're gonna take the 1/2 cup of melted butter and we're just gonna drizzle it across just like this. Okay, so now that all the butter is drizzled across, this is what it looks like. So now that is it. We're going to put it into the oven, preheat it at 350 degrees for 50 minutes, and then I will come back and show you what this looks like. Okay, and here is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, guys, if you could smell my house right now and how good it smells, so good. So there it is. I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes and then I'm gonna be bringing it to a party. My aunt's actually going back to her province in Canada. She was down for the winter, so I made this dessert. We're having dinner as a big family, and I really hope it's good. I'm sure it's going to be. It smells incredible, and it's actually, I was thinking, it's actually probably a really good Easter dish because it's lemony, it's citrusy, it's got the blueberries. Nobody, I don't think, doesn't like cheesecake, so there's that going for it. But there you go, guys. Let me show you again. It kind of looks weird here with the light, but there is the lemon blueberry cheesecake dump cake. I'm gonna let it sit, and if you were to bring this out and you were serving it straight away, let it sit for about 10 minutes and then serve it, and you can even put some whipped cream with it if you choose. But yeah, I'm super excited for it. So there you go, guys. That is exactly how you make a lemon blueberry dump cheesecake. And if you make it, let me know down below in the comments how it turns out for you. I'm super excited to give it a try. Like I said, I know it's gonna be good. So there we go, guys. Real quick and easy dessert. Super excited for it. Let me know down below if you give it a try. And as always, like this video, share it with somebody, and then tell them once they make it to invite you over. Have a great day, you guys. Love and appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you ring the bell, subscribe so you never miss a video like this one, and share it to a friend. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.